Want to know how I achieved this sleek, elegant updo on Kinky 40 hair? Keep on watching. So I sleep with my hair in cornrows or plaits to stretch it out and keep it moisturized. I have a video on my protective nighttime hair routine and I'll just link to it above. I prefer to finger comb than use an actual comb. If you do want to use a comb, make sure it's wide tooth. My hair is really tightly coiled, and if I had sprayed some water, it would have experienced really bad shrinkage, so I just brushed it out. But if you do want to add moisture to your hair, feel free to use a leave-in or your spray bottle. It's nicely stretched. I brush it out. If you don't have a brush like this, you can also use a tangle teezer. I got one at the Cheesy Drew event last year, and I'll just link to the video where I show you the one that came in my goodie bag. I put my hair in a bun using an outless band. Some people use pantyhose, some people use shoelaces. It's up to you. Just make sure it's secure at the top of your head. I'm using Aunt Jackies Flaxseed Gel, and I really love it because it doesn't flake at all. I'll link to a video where I used it for a ponytail. Gel it all up, gel it all up. I took out the band to make sure I got the gel all over my head, and I brushed it in place with a bristle brush. Make sure there's enough gel at the back of your head. I got my gel from a store called Natural Hair Body Products NIG. They just launched their website and they're offering 15% off if you use the code TESTRUN15. Scarf time! Lay those edges, okay? The scarf helps to set the gel. The longer you have the scarf tied for, the sleeker it is. I had this on for like 30 minutes. Gonna do my makeup and then come back. Makeup's all done. Make sure you follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and also subscribe to this channel to see more of my videos and content. Look how sleek those edges are. I have loads of other hair tutorials, so make sure you check them out and let me know if there's any hairstyle you want me to recreate. This is Marley Hair. It's also from Natural Hair Body Products NIG, and I'm just wrapping it around the bun. I like the fact that one pack comes with 2 bundles and they already have the rubber band around it, so you just wrap it around the bun and then secure it with a bobby pin. You can make it as high or as flat as you want it to be. You can make it tight, you can make it loose, you can do whatever you want to do. This hairstyle is so easy to achieve. It makes me look so elegant and sophisticated. Let me know if you are going to try it. So this is the final look. I used products from a store in Nigeria called Natural Hair Body Products NIG. They sell authentic, original products. The customer service is on point, and I bought loads of products from them. My Aunt Jackies Flaxseed Gel, my Got To Be. I recently got some leave-in. I'll show you what I got. I recently got these products from them. And a brush for your edges. I didn't even have to use it today, but if I want some extra sleekness, I can go in with this brush and the Lotta Body Edge Control. So yeah, definitely check them out, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you do try out this hairstyle, and make sure you follow me on IG and TikTok and subscribe to my channel, okay? Catch you in my next video. Bye! I have loads of other hairstyle tutorials on here, so definitely check them out.